opening this box in front of you. This is from BareMinerals. That's where I get my makeup from. So I want to show you guys like what I use and stuff like that for foundation and primer and stuff like that. So yeah, I need some more of this stuff. I do have some still a little left over, but just wanted to get all the stuff so then I have it so I don't have to worry about it. Usually I go into my mall and get it, but I decided just to order it. It's actually free shipping, and if you want it to come faster, it's $2. So it's pretty nice. But yeah, I'm gonna open it for you guys, and excuse the like photos in the background. I still haven't took down my posters since I was like 13. I don't know, I just kept them up. So yeah, just ignore that. So I'm gonna open this package from you guys. I have my box cutter. Actually, this is from work, and it actually needs a wash. It's pretty disgusting looking. But I like to use this for boxes because it's a box cutter. Okay. So, oh, it looks really fancy. So this is what it looks like. It says BareMinerals. And then there's like this like packaging. It's pretty cool. So I just flipped it a little bit. I'm gonna turn it around. Oh, this is nice. So everything is like wrapped. So I have to like unwrap it. So oh my goodness. So I got like a bunch. Ooh, I got like a bunch of stuff in there. Some of the stuff I didn't even order. So let's see what I got. Oh my goodness, I got some like free goodies. So oh my god, this stuff looks so clean. So this is my foundation. I just want to check. Hopefully that is the right one. But I got foundation. This one's in Fair. It has like 01 there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but my other one just says Fair, so hopefully this is like the right shade for me. But that's what I use. This is the matte. It looks so clean. And then this is it's like basically like after you put your foundation on, you put this on, but I kind of use it as like a highlighter type of a thing. But yeah, it's like really shiny. They have ones that are not shiny, but I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like really shiny. And it is I don't even know how you say it, but if you guys can see that, that's what it's called. It's not really focusing because the packaging is really shiny, but that's what it is. So I use that after I put my foundation on, and basically I do kind of put it on all over myself, but like not crazy, but I put a lot like more of my like this area where people would put like highlighter at. So that's what I use. But sometimes I just use like the matte, and I love using the powder. I did used to use liquid, but I haven't tried the liquid in BareMinerals type, so I really don't know what that's like, but I really love the powder. It's really easy, it's not messy, so I recommend the powder. And then I got some of the stuff I did order. I have primer for my foundation, so I did order that, and it comes in this. Okay, so like the originally packaging that I got, I don't know if they changed the packaging, but originally what I have is like, it's like this black bottle and it has a lot in it. So I don't know, and I couldn't find that, so I don't know if they changed the packaging and this is the packaging now, which kind of sucks because it's double times of this. So I don't know, but that's what I got. It's primer. It's basically the same thing that I kind of have. It's just in a different package. So yeah, and it even has a little Scody thing. The other one didn't. I just like Scody on my hands. Then I got Primer Time. This is for my eyes. I do have some eyeshadow from BareMinerals as well, which I love. My favorite that I have is I have a rose gold one. A rose gold one, and I have a baby blue one. So I was able to pick different shades when I got this in the mall, so I don't know if this is like just one shade. But it looks like the same thing. I'm gonna open it and see. Oh yeah, it's just in a regular shade. Because it has like some shiny ones, but this is what it is. It's pretty tiny. It's kind of not really worth it, to be honest, but I use it. I don't go just like Sephora or nothing like that. I just like BareMinerals. Then I got some bunch of goodies. Like I said, I have this thing. So it has like Power Eye Glare Cream and just like little little testing things in the back. And then I got this like envelope. It says BareMinerals. It's pretty fancy. All this stuff is like really fancy. And then this is just the receipt. And then I got this thing. I got that thing. And open it up. It has a little packet there thing. I don't even know. Don't even know half of this stuff what it is. And then I got this. This is a long wear lipstick. I don't know what shade this is in, but I got this. Oh, it's in Petal. It's called Petal. I don't know if I can open it up. I can't open it up with my nails. Oh, it's like, oh, this is good. So it's like this color, which is like nice because it's not like that dark. So it's in that color. I don't know if you guys can see that. So yep. I was trying to open it, but I just can't. I just can't with these nails. And then I got another one. This is like gel nude. This is, I don't know, it doesn't say. It shows you, oh, this is just, okay, so it would look like this on me. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I got like a free matte lipstick like for my birthday, and I have no clue where it went. So, talking about matte lipstick, I got like a matte lipstick. And this is all free stuff, so it looks like that. And it's like pretty good shades. So I'm kind of happy about that. So that's what I got. Which is kind of nice because I get like free things. Like, well, when you go to the mall, sometimes you can get like free bags if you spend so much. But I got all these goodies. Like, I'm going to use that now because I need this. The rest of the stuff I don't really need at the moment. So, yeah. So, thank you for watching. And I hope you guys will subscribe and watch more of me. So yeah, so this is actually a part of the vlog that I was doing, but this is like really long, so I'm just gonna do it as a separate video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.